Hello, everybody. We are back with another live stream. We are not just back, we are actually so back. I still have the Tux Linux hat, because why not? It's cold out there. You know, we are grinding in the house. Here in the building. What's up, everybody? Who's watching? Say hi in the chat. Bartek, Mr. Dick. Mr. Dick, you are my one loyal viewer. I won't forget about you if I get rich, okay? I love you, man. You have such a strong vibe. We are back with another live stream, as I said, and we're gonna do a bunch of Rust, WebAssembly. I mean, at this point, I'm not writing WebAssembly, but I don't know why I say WebAssembly plus Rust. I mean, I'm writing Rust. WebAssembly is handled by other tooling stuff, you know. So yeah, guys, who's watching? Come on, say hi, say something in the chat. I mean, it's not possible that I have like 5 lurkers in the stream. That's a lot of lurkers, man. What do you think about the t-shirt? 07. What's up, Bartek? How's it going? How's life? Hello, Ayush, Raj. What's up, man? Fire T. Stay tuned. I'm building a merch site, so stay tuned, guys. I bought a new laptop. Which one did you get? I hope it's not a MacBook or something like that. Say you would judge my choices. Oh yeah, I fucking forget about it, sorry. You should have just sent the same message to Discord. Did you send the same message to Discord? Oh, yeah, right. I didn't see it, sorry, man. Sorry. I'll check it out. It's been quite busy yesterday and today, so couldn't really check. Sometimes I just miss messages. There are like a bunch of stuff in there, and I'm like, okay, I want to say something, but you know, it happens like with the groups and everything. Like, I'm sure that you, yeah, I mean, you have like gone through the same thing. You have a bunch of messages that you need to read, but then you need to like, you want to send a message, so you kind of like skip everything and just send the message and don't read. Like, you know. Anyways, yeah, no, I don't need the link. I will check Discord. Yeah, the social media stuff, man. Chat stuff, chatting. I actually did also a YouTube channel and Discord community. Yeah, wait, Discord community, what are you... Is it about front end? Mainly Polish guys, but still, okay. I don't want an invite as a Turkish guy. But if you send me, I'll try. What about support for links and images support in tables in Ratatouille? There's Ratatouille image crate for images. I'm not sure what you mean by tables. You can have tables in Ratatouille. Links. We have a hyperlink example, but it's a good point. We still need to improve that one. Programmers. Hey Orhun, we gotta talk seriously. What happened, man? What happened? Is it about what I just said? Or something else? Remember Tukai? Yeah? What happened? Did you find a backdoor in that or something? Have you actually seen the code? No. In. I ain't trying to hate, but what happened, dude? Just tell me. Just give it to me straight. Just give it to me straight, come on. Guys, let's start in 2 minutes. The code is pretty bad. That happens, that's fine. I mean, it's open source, so at least you see the code. That's fixable, dude. That's fine. But I mean, as long as you don't have a backdoor, that's fine. See the PR I just opened on Tukai and they'll say everything. I'll just check now. At least we see the code, yeah. I mean, dude, yeah, it's fine. I mean, it happened to me before as well. Like, there are some projects which have very bad code and kind of like send a PR, and then, I mean, it's all part of the experience, you know. You learn, you write the code, you publish it, you put a license, and then you share it on the internet, and somebody just comes in and says, hey, this code is bad, and then you learn. That's a good thing, actually, when you think about it. That's a good thing for them, and good thing for us, because we kind of like contribute, teach people something. I'm actually implementing language selection, adding Polish. Okay. Guys, Tukai is just a Rust project. Guys, let's start. I'm gonna show you our progress. It's been actually quite a bit of progress since yesterday. Because you know, I pushed the code and I looked at it in the morning. I tried some different things. Mainly I tried removing the DOM elements, and yeah, it was working. But then I was kind of under the impression that Martin might also take a look at it, and he actually did, and he kind of like fucking skyrocketed this thing. Now it's amazing. It's in a better shape, I would say. It is rendering something cooler, and yeah, we're gonna just take a look. I'm gonna show it to you. So we have the all of the code in this repo. By the way, I think the thing that we should do is probably just, I don't know, like I'm thinking about the final version. Maybe I shouldn't just jump right into that, but yeah, we can probably just rename it or something like that. Let's not talk about this. This is just a hacking session, okay? I don't want to think about the publish and release and stuff like that. Okay, so we have all of the code here, and I'm actually gonna just read the code because Martin did some changes, refactorings. Nice cap, thank you, Senior Galvin. I'm glad that you liked it. Wikity currently doesn't support tables. I don't have an elegant way to support tables. I'm not sure what you mean by tables. Oh, like tables which contain images? I'm not sure. I can check it out after the stream. So let me actually show you the final product. Trunk serve. Look at this, guys. We have this thing fully rendered on web using Rust, Ratatouille, and WebAssembly. And this is purely HTML and just request animation frame calls made to the browser or whatever. And we just updated DOM, and that's it. And this renders fine. It's the exact same code that you would write. I mean, it's not the exact same, but the exact same rendering code that you would write in a normal like Ratatouille app. And it's very similar. I mean, we just have like a little nuance when it comes to the render loop, but we can also like kind of make this thing similarly looking to the actual recipe. But anyways, so now we have this thing renderable, right? I'm gonna go through the code first of all and just do some refactorings, because That seems like a good starting point. First of all, I'm now using the, like, I did a small change. This is some change that I needed to do, because if you use like a, so this is canvas widget, right? And these are like the dots that we use for rendering. And if you use like another character, the rendering just does not look that good. Like, for example, let me stash this and it will just reload. You see, it's a bit like broken, it's shaking, and this stuff is not correct. It's because of the font size and the character size, probably, or how browser behaves when it comes to Unicode. Can you turn up the stream volume? Can't hear you much. Really? Are you sure about that? Wait. Let me actually check the stream volume on my phone. 1 second. Because if that's the case, that's really bad. I normally check these things before the stream, but let me actually. Is anyone else having the same problem? I mean, sounds fine to me. Just let me know if you're having the same problem. Audio is fine for me. Thank you, Tyler. Long time no see, by the way. Your voice in. What in the rat shaker is going on your screen? So yeah, this is like shaking, right? This is what I was saying. This is shaking because of like probably how Unicode is being displayed. Maybe tad lower than yesterday, but still good. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Hold on. I think it's fine. Like, I didn't change anything basically, so it should be fine. But I can boost for you just a little bit, like a 1 decibel. 1 second. I'm gonna add like a little bit of gain. Oh no. Okay, that was a mistake. Sorry, that was a mistake. 2 decibels. Okay, close. Work and family kept me busy. Happy New Year all. Yeah, you too, man. Good to see you. No, the volume was fine before. I didn't change anything. I just boosted it a little bit. Guys, come on. Let's not get lost in the details, okay? We have other details to worry about here. So, like I said, this is shaking because of the Unicode character. So I changed the canvas character to dot, I think. Yeah. And then you basically have like a better rendering. It's very smooth. So yeah, I will just ignore this issue for now, because it's very trivial, and I'm gonna just go to my new branch. Let's say refactor, and start committing my changes. Use dot character for canvas. Just gonna actually, we should probably like follow the conventional comments at this point, because this is like a. You are actually following them. I am not. Sorry. Let's use them. Factor, or just fix. I think this is a fix. It's one of those Braille characters. I guess it's using characters from different fonts, maybe, or they are just proportional or something. Yeah. I mean, this is something very trivial. Let's not get stuck there, you know. So okay, we got that. So next thing. I actually want to remove this rendered ratatouille crate, because this is this is using ratatouille from the main branch. I was thinking we can also like test the latest version, like you know, the modularized version of ratatouille here, but I mean it's not like super important. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna use the stable version, which is, I think, 0.29. Yeah, 0.29 should be it. We didn't publish a minor. Okay, cool. So it's 0.29, and what we need to do now is that I gotta change all the Ratatouille core stuff to Ratatouille, because there's no core There's only Ratatouille, and these should be different imports actually. Let me go over the each one and import them. Okay, window size. Yeah, position. Is that it? And also modifier and color. Okay. All right. Conventional commits is habit. We cannot actually commit to repo without conventional commits at work. Yeah. Did you see my tool? GitCliff. I am a big advocate for conventional commits, but I mean for like hacking, I just do whatever, you know. And they are really good. Like I really like conventional commits. I mean they are the way, dude. Like, come on. Right. Anyway, so now we have the stable, or the latest version of Ratatouille, which was published to Crates.io instead of a sub module. So we can just go ahead and commit this to. Let me see the changes actually. Just change the imports and that's it. Okay, cool. Use the latest version of Ratatouille. Latest stable version. Can this use the GPU instead of CPU? Good question. Probably, but if you're asking about the web rendering, I am not sure. I have never done such thing. But if you're talking about CLIs and stuff, yeah, sure. I think it's possible. I was banging my head a couple of days ago trying to remember the name of GitCliff. Yeah, cool. I'm happy to hear that. So, okay, we also did that. What else? What is this function? Show diff. Okay, anyways. I'm just gonna go over the code actually. I'm talking about rendering the position of the ball within the terminal. Within the terminal as in the actual terminal, or the terminal object in Ratatouille. If you're talking about the actual terminal, yeah, I mean sure, you should be able to do that. Probably. Web rendering, not actually, unless you go full on canvas WebGL, web GPU. So it's using WebAssembly, so it's already using WebGL. I have no idea, dude. I'm not sure if that assumption is true or not. I have no idea. Like, only thing that I know about WebAssembly is that wasm bindgen and wasm pack and trunk, and I know what you see on my screen right now, and that's all my knowledge, literally. But let me actually go over this code now. So we have this term span thing, which is probably gonna come important later, because we now, okay, this update grid pre-render line cells, line create cell, span set ANSI to RGB. Okay. Where are the pre stuff? We don't have pre now, or did we change something in the DOM? Oh, pre style. Oh, we still have that. Wait, I'm confused. Where do we create the pre stuff now? Oh, this is in the utils. Okay, maybe it's in here. Okay, cool. So here you create the cell and then you create the pre stuff, and then line cells, append child. Okay, I see. Let me check again. Oh, instead of creating the whole, instead of like rendering the whole whole column or like the whole line, we now render each cell, right, Martin? Can probably optimize this a little bit, because I mean these are just separate now, but before it was just a single like line, like a whole string. But I guess, wait, let me see. I've only used Ratatouille within the terminal, so this is new to me. Yeah, this is new to us too. Like, I started working on this like 2 days ago, like 3 days ago. Still trying to like figure out a bunch of stuff. What is initialized? Oh, so you basically have this variable. So you create you render everything first, and then you update it, right? Okay, I see what you're doing here. Okay, so previous buffer clone. That's cool. Because in Flash there's update function that updates each cell. Yeah, got it. Update grid. So this is doing the comparison, right? Yeah, this is doing the comparison for each cell. And this is very similar to what we do in Ratatouille as well. I mean, this is what Ratatouille was doing as well. If you have seen the previous code, there was like a little like diff stuff going on in the draw function, I think, or like the pre-render or somewhere in there. I commented that out because I was thinking I can do that later, but you actually done that for me. Thank you. You just saved me from a bunch of fucking diff stuff, so that's cool. Okay, so this is like if a cell has changed, we just check the previous buffer, we set the inner HTML like the symbol, but does this set the color of the cell or no? By the way, why this is like it gets like red while going there? Oh, it's not setting the color. Maybe that's why it's like red over here and then like white on the other places. Okay, so let me just fix that maybe, now that I found that bug. Okay, set attribute. I probably can just take a look at here. Yeah, you can just copy that probably, like this. Okay, let's see, foreground. Wait. Set inner HTML. Can I do like style or something? Set style, or what was the function that we used in the beginning? Set wait, let me see here. Set attribute, right? Set attribute style, and then I need to what is this? Style string. Okay, so how about we do, by the way, did you take a look at Ratatouille for this, or is this a custom thing? Because they actually do something very similar, if I remember correctly, in utils or somewhere. not in utils, but in backend maybe. The CSS color. Actually, they don't use the cell object at all, so this is not really needed. But I have an idea. We'll be back in 10 minutes, sure. Let's see, set inner HTML. Cell to style or something like that. Just finished my languages, PR. What is languages? ANSI to RGB. Actually, there should be some RGB conversion. No. Let's see if we have anything related to RGB in color. RGB. Nope. So you take the RGB, you set the background and foreground. Okay, I see. For now, what I will do is I'm just gonna create like a function. Get cell color. Actually, I'm thinking, okay, we can just return a string from this. Yeah, so just gonna remove that. And yeah, we have this thing now, which is can be reused in the backend. Let's reuse it. Get cell color. Okay. Okay, now this color should be fixed. Yep. No. What? What? It's weird. It is like red and then goes to white again. Where rat shaker? No more rat shaker, dude. Why rat no shaking? This is weird. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Maybe it's because this is only rendering the stuff that hasn't changed. That has changed. So your HTML. The house of grind has no familiar shape. Check your PR. What are you guys talking about? This is really weird. It is white and then red. What? Okay, let me go back to main and see the code actually. Color red. this should be red all the time, but it's only red when it bounces off one of the corners. Weird. Oh, maybe it's because... What is this doing? Let me log this. Invalid color? What do you mean? What do you mean invalid color? What's the color? Let's see. Oh, no foreground or no background. Guys, can you just keep that conversation in Discord maybe? I don't know what you guys talking about, and it's not really related to the stream, I guess. So wait. Color. I mean, the default foreground style is white. Oh no, is it white? Yeah, it is white. So that's weird. Let me see again. The problem with this is you cannot really slow it down. There's no like control over the loop. It's basically using the request animation frame stuff. So it's like 60 FPS all the time. So I don't know how to debug this without slowing it down. But what happens if I just remove the comparison algorithm here? Not the algorithm, but just the check. Just remove it, actually. Let's see what happens. Well, oh wait, is it because... Oh my god, I know why it's happening. It's part of the demo, right? It's probably part of the demo. Or color. Do we expect this demo to change colors? What do we have in the Ratatouille demo? Because it's taking from that. I told you yesterday the API to control FPS. What was it? API to control FPS? Let me see the Ratatouille demo. Set interval. Is that for sleeping? Because I don't think we're gonna have sleeps, but yeah. So in this demo, it does not really change colors. But I mean, it's like invalid color. Okay. At least it's now. Oh my god. Look at the log count. It just goes up. So weird. It's only red when it's like in the middle. That's so weird, man. Maybe let me remove the initialized stuff. Also remove this thing too. See what will happen. Of course. It's gonna depend, right? Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna get stuck in this. Just gonna commit this thing. Set the style of cell and which function. Which function was it? Okay, I'm back. Hey, welcome, man. So I couldn't figure out why it's like weirdly changing colors. Now it's like more consistent, just red over here, but then it goes back to white. And we have a bunch of invalid colors in the logs. Any ideas? When I tried removing the diff stuff, and I was just only calling like you know. Actually, I can try removing this thing too. Or no. Yeah, anyways, I don't know. One thing that I want to add to this thing is this. What was the name of the WASM console panic rust console panic? What was it? Yeah, this console error panic hook. So what this thing is doing is basically it's gonna show the panics in the console log instead of not showing them at all. So that's quite useful. I'm just gonna add this here. Let's see. So error panic hook. We're just gonna initialize it in main. Maybe this will help with debugging stuff. Okay. Yeah, still a bunch of invalid color stuff. By the way, I'm gonna change this thing a little bit. I want to render this on the whole screen, whole available area. So let's do that. Like, look, it's very weird. It just... Is there like a timer to make this thing red? Like, it is red and then white, and then red, white, and red. What? State count. Is that the purpose of the demo, or am I missing something here? Also wastes a frame. I made it yellow. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Like, there's like a slight pause. I don't know if you guys see that. In the counter too. If I zoom in, nothing works. Yeah. Martin, any ideas about this? I can try something. Can try something like do not do any of that. Always pre-render, but after that I basically get the whole document. Where do we create the grid? We create a grid. Did you remove the grid? Yeah, it's only a div now. Okay. Actually, can I, like, how can I assign an ID to that? I remember we had that somewhere. I want to assign an ID. Was it in here? Grid. No, where is it? Grid, let's find it. Okay, create element. Create element div. Set attribute. Okay, I should just get familiar with these stuff. So now I assign the ID, and what I'm gonna do is after that I can do something like this. If let's some div old self. Do we have access to the document here? Self document. There's already a grid. Just gonna It's not working anymore. How great is this? So if there's a grid, just remove it and render it. Or how can I just remove the whole thing? Let me actually remove it. We get the invalid color now again. Oh man. Anyways, I give up. Give up on this because it's like killing my browser. Oh, pre-render. I need to update grid too, right? I don't know, man. I'm just trying as of now. I don't... Okay. What is going on? This is super weird. This is very, very weird. You have fixed it? How? What's going on here? I cannot understand it. How did you fix it? Did you push something? Nope. Those damn web devs. I haven't pushed anything. If you can just tell me what's up, I can also fix it here. But basically copy paste that code that sets color in creating. Okay, that's what I did as well. Isn't this correct? Get cell color. Hey, am I doing something? Yeah, I have the like the same style stuff here as well. But let me actually just send you my stuff so that you can merge on top of that probably. Add panic hook. I'm gonna send you up here now. Oop. Okay, let's see if this is working actually. Okay, grid. Actually, this should be called not grid, but we call this grid in the code, right? Yeah, okay, that's called grid. Okay, sent. You can probably rebase that because there are like multiple commits. I mean, don't squash it. You can squash it too if you want, but this code is still not in a good shape, but that's fine. I want to like spend some time actually moving stuff around and documenting and libraryifying this, but not now because we like stuff are not clear still. But yeah, okay. I think now I can kind of make this thing. I mean, I need your fix first to before I move on and try something more complex. So I'll just wait for that. But in the meantime, let me actually see. No, I'm not familiar with LPMPY. I'm gonna take a look at this. This is interesting. So in like a normal Ratatouille app, you have the state. You have the panic hook. One thing that is different here is this this animation frame stuff. So I'm thinking of trade go on this thing. Probably put this thing in here, right? Yeah, okay. I don't like the name of this function that much, but I'm just gonna keep it this way. So draw on WebAssembly for terminal backend. And this should also take like a closure. So something like, yeah, let's actually copy this. I'm gonna take this thing, put it in here. Wait, does this make sense at all? Yeah, I actually don't want to return anything. There are like a bunch of unwraps here, but whatever. Wait, this doesn't... Wait. Doesn't make sense. So I'm trying to basically wrap the draw function from the terminal into this draw on WebAssembly thing. But yeah, doesn't really make sense because I need to access somehow terminal draw here, you know? But how do I do that? My brain stopped. Let me actually see the implementation here. Oh, I need to just do self. That makes sense. Okay, let me do self. Oh, I have self here already, so self. What? Can't I just pass the draw into another draw? This doesn't have to be mutable actually. Or does it? It's calling self try draw. Okay, I see. Now, I guess just gotta do something like this probably. No? Dude, what? Do I need to move here? Why do we move? Web says request animation frame. don't actually have to move. And why this is boxed now? Hey, bad news. I merged your thing, pulled it, and it works flawlessly on my side. Even tried both FF and Chrome. What? No. No way. Oh my god. Okay, give me a second. I'll actually try it on Chrome too. Oh my god. I don't like this. But I gotta ask, why do we have a box move now? I mean, isn't this just enough? What? I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I have an idea what's the NumCap code is so unreadable. NumCap is just bad, dude. That's why we're trying to like rewrite a bunch of ALPM stuff in Rust. That's why ALPM exists, dude. We're gonna use that code base for rewriting Pacman in Rust and NumCap probably. That's why you should contribute there. Okay. Some closure new. Okay, I'm gonna remove the box actually. Closure wrap. More direct version of closure new. Okay, let's do closure new. Oh my god. Wait, what was the... All those batshit insane acrobatics are just trying to prevent that function to go out of scope. Dude, this is so annoying. So, do you see the problem here? I'm trying to like call the draw function, but this draw function expects a... Wait, what's the actual problem here? 1 second. Let me actually... Closure implements fn once, not fn mutable. What? Dude, I'm so confused about this. Because this is like this. Oh, maybe I shouldn't move. Okay, now it's good. Cool. I was just moving it into the fn once closure. Okay, whatever. Now it's working. What's the problem now? Unwrap method not found. Okay. Is it still working though? No. What? Martin, do you see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to basically like abstract these like request animation frame stuff a bit. So I have this like little trait, and like, yeah, trying to like make it more like clean. See, in JS you pretty much just push functions and objects to browser JS context from scripts, but they are there to stay. In Rust, once main event is executed, all those resources get swept by either GC or deallocated. Yeah, this is like this. So when you drop, they are just the resources are just deallocated. So maybe that's why it's not working. Console. Is it normal that what the hell, man? It's not looping anymore. What? Drawing before, drawing after. Okay, I just removed the loop somehow. One question, do I need to see the... So, does this ever hit this line? I'm curious. Do we ever like see the done log in the logs? Let me stash this. Latency. Because I'm like trying to understand how this loop actually works. So we don't ever see this line because it like goes into a loop, and yeah, it just loops there. So when I move stuff around, and when I move the this animation frame stuff into a function, when you exit the function, it just drops, and then the loop just ends probably. That's why you don't see that's why you see the log. It says just done, you know. One other way to test this theory is to just panic. No, it never panics because it's like an endless loop. Okay. But then, how do I like abstract this? Like, I don't want people to write this code when they want to render, you know? Wait, what? Exactly, I was trying to understand how it works as well. Actually, let me try on Chrome, because you said it's working. Is it the exact same code as main now? Let me check out master. Okay, let's see. Okay, on Firefox it's not working. Let's try Chromium. Chromium. Oh my god, it's working here. I feel like a complete, like a web developer now, because this is like, what the fuck? And no, like, errors here as well. This is so bad, by the way. I mean, here you can see the invalid color errors too. Like, this is not error actually, it's like a warning, right? Do you get these stuff as well? Is this normal? Welcome to my life. Dude, what the fuck? It's working on Chrome. Maybe it's about like, I don't know. Let me just stop this actually and restart. Maybe it's about this. Maybe if I try in like a private tab. Yeah, it works on what? Okay, maybe it's about cache. Maybe it's just cache issue. Yeah, I mean, what the fuck? In web, these are validation of success. I mean, it works in a private window, so I will just say that it works. It works. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore this bug. Alright, but going back to the actual extension, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, I have the dark reader on. Holy shit. It's because of the dark reader. Come on. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It was just because of the dark reader. Fucking dark reader just bite us in the ass. But, okay, I'm gonna apply this thing again. So this does not work because this loop just immediately ends. How do we not drop this? Rust undrop object. Let's use our Google skills. I'm actually glad that you don't have Safari available at your machine. We can create a handle. We can create a handle like this probably. Rust create handle. But I mean, this will probably make this code a little bit ugly. Create handle function. There's a create called glue render that people use to abstract render RAF, but it pretty much turns the handle. Wait, what? Glue render? Convenience great for working with browser request animation frame. Oh, interesting. Let me see. API docs. Show me an example. What do you mean by returns the handle? I don't see it. How do they do this? Oh, glue storage. Oh, they just put another link in here. Okay. Render. Sorry. Let's see now. It's just a librs. Maybe we can use this. Mission frame. Yeah, I don't know. I cannot really wrap my head around this right now for some reason. Animation frame. Yeah, I don't get it. What's the benefit of using this? It's just wait, what do we do here? Is it offend once too? Yeah. I mean, yeah, okay. I see. So it's just a wrapper. So if we run this, like if you use that thing here, you'll actually like drop the handle anyways. So it doesn't really make sense. We probably need to do something custom here. But we can take some inspiration from this, I guess. First animation frame callback once, animation frame. What do they return? Render ID. I tried this, but it was one of the headache-inducing cramps I've encountered lately. Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's quite like a weird stuff happening because like, you know, Rust and WebAssembly and drops and stuff. Animation frame render ID closure callback wrapper. What we can do here is that oh my god, this is so bad. I feel your pain. This is so bad. Oh my god. Okay. Animation frame. Can you all believe 2015 was 10 years ago? Dude, those are great times. Back then I was writing Java. It was great. What is unwrap throw? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just try something. I don't need a FMT. What is callback wrapper? Oh, it's the struct. Oh, I just deleted that. Okay. Okay. Callback wrapper. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this thing as well. Let me comment this. render callback. Static too. Oh my god. It won't work with static. There's no way that this will work with static. So I'm gonna remove the static from here. What's the error now? Just gonna use bacon. Expected F1 once frame closure found F. It requires oh, it should be mutable. That's why. Okay. Oh my god, it's gonna be so fucked. Watch this. Now, when I do that, it will just complain about lifetimes. Soft throw render callback. Okay, actually, callback time. It requires a mutable frame. Okay, move that. Wait, what? Why is it requiring a frame now? Animation frame. The fuck, man. This probably won't work. Yeah, because this is like mutable. Oh my god. Martin, we are so cooked. We are so cooked. This is one of the worst crossovers of Rust and WebAssembly I have ever seen. This is a different beast. Maybe I can just remove, like, return something. Animation frame. Let me just return nothing. Let me just return completed frame. Because this was... You really look like me about 12 hours ago. Oh man. Okay, render ID. Closure. Callback wrapper. How about we just return the callback wrapper actually? What is the type? Let's just return that, dude. What about that? What is this? What is this type? What? Okay, so it's returning closure dynamic FN mutable. Okay, whatever. Okay, maybe just turn that. Probably nothing will change. Yeah. Fuck. Stash, 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 stash. This is like, this is so bad. Okay, let me try to understand this again. So we have this closure, right? And we are running the animation frame here. So if I remove that, nothing will happen because it's not being run. So this is actually blocking everything. When I run this, it goes here and then starts the loop. What happens if I just move this thing to another function, for example? Just I should have just used my LSP for that. Let me do that. Extract into function. Okay. Now, this is in another function. And let's see now, actually. Okay, it still runs because this is not being dropped. So this is the actual pain point here. Apart from that, everything kind of works. So dropping this thing doesn't really matter because we are actually calling that here. Okay. Okay. request animation frame. If I move this thing here, it would probably... Oh, it still runs. But if I remove this thing, like this CB thing, inside the function, it will probably not run because it's being dropped, right? What? Wait, what? Dude, this does not make sense to me right now. Wait, what the fuck? Get render callback. Let's try this. Render callback. Once again, I'm trying to use the closure. I was today years old when I found out. Okay. When I move this thing, oh, I need to do this here. That's why. Okay, I see. But it's Fn once. Okay, I see. Guys, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT about this. That's the only solution as of now. Oh, 7. Our brother is resorting to drastic measures. Dude, this is literally the same code. Actually, what do we do here? There's a new... clones outside of the closure. So we have CB. We also have let's try to replicate that CB2, right? So G CB2. Actually, I'm just gonna copy this. Just gonna copy this. It takes a lot of time to wrap my head around understanding all of this. Your singular variable names proper banking code. Yeah. Dude, at this point, we are resorting to the last... what was the... Yeah, resorting to drastic measures, you know? First animation frame. No. We cannot move the draw call in here. Okay. Let's see what draw is actually. Try draw. Get frame. Actually, why not just do this? Why not just do this, man? Terminal get frame and then render callback frame and then just terminal flush. Right, that should be enough. What the fuck? Oh, it's because of render callback. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so we draw any architecture for the project. Yeah, we did. Did that work? What? Did I make it? Of course not. Of course not. Terminal flash, what do we do? I'm missing something. Backend flash. Swap buffers, what the hell? Okay, let's just call that to whatever that is. Done. That should happen. That should not happen. But it's progress, guys. It's progress, okay? So now, hold on. Let me bring this back. Let me bring this back. Let me remove that. No. Doesn't work. It's weird because are you actually rendering some content? Any widgets? Yes, I am. Function name. You see I'm passing in some closure and calling the render callback on this. But either way, it should not just print out done because this loop is not actually running. Is it running? Dude, hold on. Hold on. Drawing after. Let's print this too. Oh, it's actually what? Drawing after. It's actually being run, but why do I see the... Hold on, stash again, stash again. Okay. Flush. This is literally what I'm doing. Like this, when you look at the draw function, it calls auto resize. Okay, let's call that too. Self backend flush. Maybe I need to call this wait. Auto resize, let's call that normal auto resize. Auto resize. And then terminal backend flush. What are you complaining about now? Okay, backend mutable. Maybe this will work. Oh my god. What? Okay, progress. Progress, but yeah. We have a weird ass rendering now. We have like a snake. We have snake, guys. I'm probably just missing something here. Okay, self flush. Yeah, you know what? Let me just fucking copy all of this. No. Let's do the cursor position. It's actually cool, yeah. Self flush. Okay. Terminal hide cursor. Terminal show cursor. Marty, you know that we gotta get rid of all of these unwraps, right? That's another story. Cursor position is private. Oh, swapping buffers. Did I remove that? Oh wait, this is not about cursor position at all. I'm not swapping. That you're right. So we flush the backend. Sorry, flush the terminal. Swap buffers and then flush the backend. Okay. That makes sense. Hell yeah. Okay, good. Good. It's working now. So, as I was saying, I'm gonna put this in a trait. Sweet, yeah. Render on web. And this is gonna be like this. I mean, we can just leave it as a function too, but I think a trait is better. And then I'm gonna implement this trait on terminal WASM backend, right? And it's basically going to be the same thing as this. I hope this will work. Probably it won't. It'll complain about the trait signature or something like that. Okay, terminal auto resize. This is gonna be self. And this should be self too. Render on web and self. Mutable self actually. Now it will complain about a bunch of fucking things. Yeah, lifetimes. Obviously lifetimes. Oh my god. Can I make this thing static? Oh, you mean like this? Okay. No. Static. Just make it static. Whatever. Is that possible? render callback as mutable. Okay, just make it mutable then. Okay, static mutable self. Oh my god. Dude, this is a breakthrough in my Rust career. Like, what the fuck is this signature? This is like, oh my god. My brain is just... What happens if I just remove static here? Actually, this doesn't have to be static, does it? This will probably just cause a lot of issues with a bunch of fucking stuff. But I mean, if this works for now, let's just go with it. Okay, then I'm gonna remove this. Just gonna do terminal render on web. Terminal does not live long enough. What are you talking about? Maybe that was the reason it was working. Don't move it. I'm not gonna make it static. But that will fail. Maybe something like this. Okay, I remember seeing something like that in the, what was the name? Glue render. These function signatures are so bad, dude. FN ones. I have an idea. Banger. Tell me. Rustlang in LLVM. What? What do you mean? Are you gonna grind lang, not Rust? Dude, I brought this up in the server. I want to make that happen too. Maybe we can just use the 07, like 2 characters for that language. 07, 07, 07, and then you got a binary operation or something like that. That would be actually cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here actually. This function is good enough. It's like better than before. Maybe we can just turn it into a trait later. Rust LLVM, what madman would ever dare? Martin, do you like this? It's better. It will be even better if we had like an actual trait. That would be nice. But now we just have like a function. I mean, let me just remove that too, or maybe I can keep it. So this is all you gotta do to use this. Actually, I can move this to render on web. Move this to. Let me check if it's still running or not, because I want to make sure. Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. You've been extremely helpful. Looks better to me. I'm a newbie in Rust. Dude, after this, you're not a newbie. You're like advanced level. By the way, I don't know the side effects of using this FN mute. Just be careful. If this won't work, I don't know what we're gonna do. But I mean, this code is okay. Like, it's like, you know, you create a terminal and you just call this function. And then you just give your render code. And yeah, it works. Literally a fast track promotion to Rust Wizard. You know what? I'm gonna actually move this over to WASM backend. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Render on web. Actually, no, not here. Wait, I changed my mind. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename this to librs. And put this app code to main. I don't know why my cursor is glitching. And remove these stuff. Oh, where's the animation frame thing? Yeah, take this thing here into lib. Make this thing public. Right, and here I just import that. This is not public. Okay, is it still running? Okay, cool. Still running. So now we have a very good library that we can use to run the actual Rust demo. So let's just do that now. I'm gonna create an example here. I'm gonna copy the examples, apps, demo. So I'm gonna copy this app. Man, I'm so excited. Let's see if it's actually gonna work. So we're gonna copy this whole thing, try to run it in the browser. Oh my god. It's called demo. Let's try it, guys. It's time. I'm going to work on keyboard events probably on Sunday. Yep. Let's let's finish this up, man. Okay, term viz, term yon. I don't need any of those. We don't have those stuff anymore. Oh, these keyboard events. It's handling keyboard events. Okay, that's bad. What do we do? Just remove cross term too. We have an app. We have main. I remove these future flags. We don't need any of them. Remove them too. Now I need to figure out how to run this. Oh, we have just a draw function exposed. So I'll just call the draw function. And this should actually work. Hopefully. Let's see. Guys, but why not use TS if you work on the browser, but still fun? Dude, you're missing the point, Mr. Dick. That's going to work. I'm running to kitchen the pop-up here. Okay. Let's see. So, let's see the dependencies. We don't need any of these. Clap. Oh, random. Do we have random in WebAssembly? Probably, yeah. Right? Okay, let's have random. And we will need this awesome crate called WASM. Or no, it's not even WASM test. It's called DOM test. Okay, we gonna add the DOM test, guys. DOM test is the name of the project. Alright, we have that thing. Examples. It will not run. What? Edition from workspace? No, we don't need any of these. Come on. Fail to load. DOM test. Dude, what the hell? Isn't this called just DOM test? Wasn't backend? What is this crate called? It's called DOM test. No, main. Yeah, DOM test. Yeah, okay. Maybe it's underscore. Yeah, okay, this is better. WASM test, DOM test, cargo toml. Okay, I was just giving the wrong path. Dude, just add my dependency. Okay, now we're in business. You don't have clap. Okay, I'm gonna go into the demo directory to see that those errors in a better shape. Clap parser, you might be missing a crate. No, I'm not missing a crate. You're missing a crate. What do you mean I'm missing? Dude, I literally have... Guys, am I hallucinating or what? Like, I have Ratatouille here. I have everything. But still says that I'm missing. Okay, you know what? I'm confused now. Oh, maybe it's because of the feature flags. Feature. What the fuck? The fuck? Just wanted to run the demo, man. I just want to run the demo. Okay, cargo new demo. I'm gonna start from scratch, guys. Because I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I literally lost track 1 hour ago. I don't know why the FN mute thing worked. It was like just what the I was just complaining that I should just use FN mute, and I did, and it worked. And I was like, okay, sure, whatever. Didn't even question it. Okay, so now I have that. Let me copy the main over here. Okay, now it's working. I don't know why it was not working before, but complete the examples here in the demo now. Cargo check. It's all good. We gotta copy the stuff from our main. You know how it is. App new. You don't need a tick rate. There's no tick rate in browser. Remember, 60 FPS all the time. It's the best shit ever out there. It's like it doesn't have the rendering issues or nothing. It works on every browser. It's great. I love it. I'm gonna become a web developer after this, probably. I love this shit, man. This is my life now. How do I create an app? Here's the app. App new. App new. Okay, app new. Title, enhanced graphic. What? Okay, well, I don't know what enhanced graphics is, but that sounds cool, man. Where am I? I'm lost. Go back to main. App new. App. Title. 07. Enhanced graphics true. Okay, and then what do we do? We need to call draw, right? How do I do that? Draw takes like two things. Okay, just copy that thing over into main. And I don't know why I'm laughing. I just lost my mind while working on this. And then I go here. Yes. Mutable. Holy shit. No compilation errors. Holy shit. What the fuck? Is this actually going to run? No HTML file. Okay, I can just copy this thing. Fucking hell, what happened? Oh, I'm using Ratatouille with a bunch of features. That's right. Version default features false. Oh, random does not support WebAssembly. Right. We gotta enable the JS feature. Okay. Enable that. Now. What the fuck? Rust random JS. That's gonna give me some fucking... I need to go to this link, but this link is just split into two. Okay, let's see the WebAssembly support. Oh, this is get random. Maybe I need to enable. Okay, which feature do I need to enable for random? Feature flags, WebAssembly. WebAssembly. What the hell? Can't I just use random with use WebAssembly with random? Rand? Is that not possible? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? WebAssembly support is not automatically supported by. If you find it. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I gotta add the get random with JS feature instead of just using that. Okay, whatever. I gotta just change a bunch of shit in here now. What's breaking now? What's breaking? This is so annoying. Oh my god. I hate this. Why do we need random anyways? Wait, I remember this Ratatouille EGUI thing, which also renders on web using EGUI. Small RNG default feature false. Let me try that. It's gonna complain. Thread RNG. How do I initialize that? I need the code for creating a small RNG now. How do I create this? What the fuck? Dude. This is annoying. How do I create a small RNG in new vtrust? Help me out here. Just like this probably, but why is it not working? From entropy not found. Okay, what? From entropy. What is from entropy? I am so confused now. Rust ran small RNG. Maybe this will work. Get out of my way, rustlang analyzer error. Okay, unwrap. Dude. Okay, we can just use seed, right? There you go. Finally. Okay, now, guys, finally we have the RNG or whatever that shit is. Let's just serve it, okay? Oh my god. No way that is just running now. Okay. Is it rendering? Is it rendering by any chance? Guys, we achieved something, but we don't know what we have achieved yet. Off to the kitchen. Call today. Dude, no, we gotta make this thing actually work. Maybe, wait, on tick. Update progress. Okay, maybe we're not updating the progress. Maybe that's why. Hold on. That I know. This. I'm gonna make this shit work. I'm gonna make this shit work so bad. Wait. App, state, update, tick. Look. Come on. Come on. Why are you not running? Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, we made it. Guys, I mean, sometimes it's a bit weird, but okay, chromium. We gotta. Holy shit! I'm out of memory. I'm literally out of memory. I have literally. How much RAM did that thing just use? 4 gigabytes. Wait, that's rustlang analyzer. Okay, I just crashed my browser. Hold on. I don't see the chat. I don't know what the fuck happened there, but it was running. I don't want to kill the OBS. Do you guys still hear me? Do you guys still hear me? Come on. Health check, please. Health check. I'm in. Yes. Okay, cool. We are back. Now, let me run this once again. Trunk surf. Actually, let me fix the marker thing. Marker dot. Let's use. Okay, enhance graphics. Did I set that to true? Okay, no, just make it false. I don't care. Okay, trunk surf. We're gonna take a look at this on Chromium, because that's better. Oop, no, wait. This is amazing. This is fucking amazing. Oh my god. Guys, we made it. Now all we need to do is add keyboard events and fix that fucking trait thing and make it better, and then add documentation and add bunch of examples and fix the code and remove all the unwraps. Find out a name for the project. Create a logo, design it, create a proper GitHub repo, set up automation, add resizing, yes, and yeah, we have a bunch of shit to do. And the performance is like, okay, how can I check the performance? Add resizing and profit. But I mean, my mind is blown after this. I was not expecting to get so far in just a couple of days. I mean, it all thanks to Martin. Can we see the HTML for this? You remove those unnecessary console logs. I mean, look at this. Stuff are just changing. It's all HTML. It's all fucking HTML. That will increase performance. I don't care about performance at this point, Martin. I am just so happy that this works. Okay, I'm gonna push my changes. And we can call it a day here. Oh my god. Cannot believe that this is happening. And I like the simplicity of this, just calling a function, render on web, and everything works. I mean, that's amazing, dude. That's such a breakthrough in web plus Ratatouille world. So good. Flying at true 60 FPS will roll people's socks off. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna just send you the code. You can play around. Alright. We can probably put this thing in like a proper example, like a library example. But for now, I think I will just leave it as a separate Rust project. I think that's fine for now. And yeah, we can always, I mean, we have to refactor this thing anyways, so okay. Git new demo beat, add libraryify the code and add demo. Maybe I can just create 2 separate commits for this, because we're doing conventional commits now. Beat libraryify the code, or just libraryify. whatever. Add demo, okay. Still POC after resizing and telling we can go on and make it nice, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna push there. We made it. But hats off to you. Pun intended. Dude, it's all thanks to the rat under this hat, you know what I'm saying? It's not me. It's just the rat. Don't clip that. Real question now. How many lead code questions have you sold? What do you think about whiteboard interviews in general? I've sold around 2 lead code questions, and I find the whiteboard interviews so cringe. But I totally understand it, and I mean I haven't done anything like that in my life so far. I was kind of lucky. My job experience is basically consulting and like freelance. So I never done like, you know, big company interview. But I want to actually, because I am curious about that experience. Adam, look at this. Are you watching? You missed everything. Yeah, look at this, Adam. No, not this, sorry. Yeah, this. Adam, check this out. In the browser, man. In the browser. Look at this. I still cannot believe I did see that coming alive within a couple of days. Yes, that's mind-blowing. That is mind-blowing. Thank you, Adam. Thanks, man. This is failing because of the dark reader, probably. Oh man, so good. Okay, I sent you the PR now. What's going on? We are rendering tweets on web now. We are rendering stuff on web. Oh man, I really like. I gotta say this again, guys. I just gotta say this again. I really like the simplicity of just this amount of code plus index HTML plus trunk. You have a TUI app running on web. I love it. So good. We can improve this, but whatever. For now, it's good. Alright, guys, I am cooked. I don't know what I did in the last two and a half hours, but it was worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Closing all the tabs. This is still running. Okay, no. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna start this. Alright, guys. Do you recommend knowing some C or C++ to learn Rust? No. But I mean, knowing C is just usually useful in terms of grasping some concepts in other languages. But C++, no. I'm finally out. Dude, you're disgusting. Mr. Dick. Let me check my... Guys, I'm gonna just go now. Any last minute questions or like anything that you wanna say to me? Go ahead. May the grind be with you. Whiteboarding versus advent of code. I think advent of code. Yeah. I like that much more. Keep going with Rustlang projects. Yeah. Grind never ends. Remember? By the way, if you're not on Discord, join Discord. Alright guys, we done. We're so done today. So much progress has been made. And we're gonna continue. I mean, I'm gonna continue tomorrow probably. Martin, if you're not around, that's fine. I can also take a break from this probably. And yeah, we can catch up. And yeah, just feel free to do your thing. I don't know, I'll be around probably, so yeah, let's keep in touch. I'm doing my job for once. Thank you, Adam. Alright guys, take care. And good night and good day based on your time zone. Grind never ends. Never forget that. And we're gonna see each other soon. Hopefully. And yeah. Stay awesome, stay rusty. That's not my slogan, whatever. Guys, see you. And I'm literally dying. It's very awkward to say goodbye, so I'm just gonna say goodbye and go. Okay, take care everybody. Bye. Okay, it's time to write some Go actually. Let me go ahead and create a Go project. I love TUIs in Go. Those are amazing.